What's up guys, Corey coming to you live from the TacToys HQ, this time doing a 30-second review on the Wells M4. The Wells M4 comes standard with an adjustable buttstock here at the rear, a handle at the top which is also the sight, and a clear body which allows you to see the full inner workings. It has safety, semi-auto, so single shot, and also full auto. Here's how it shoots. It's actually an extremely upgradable blaster. The springs, the batteries, the O-rings, all of it is upgradable. It actually came standard with a metal barrel, which is pretty cool, so you don't need to do that. Very solid external body as well. Plastic receiver, nylon buffer tube and buttstock, also a nylon front end. External upgrades are also pretty damn good. You've got a lot of options. Sights, different buttstocks, different front ends as well. Spare magazines, metal triggers, you name it, is available. The Wells M401 is available in store and online right now. Remember, we do have the pay it later option, which allows you to pay it off in installments. So if you wanted this one, you can definitely get it right away. This is Corey from TacToys. Happy blasting.